Okay guys, here's all my stuff for the seafood boil. We got the sausage. Oh, this is not for the seafood boil. All the seasons for the Be-Love sauce. The chicken broth. The baby red potatoes, onions, shrimp, more shrimp, mussels. Can you bring the crab legs over here, please? The Texas toast, eggs, crab legs. I'm the only one that eats the crab legs, so that's all we need. Sausage. Yeah. You guys will see it when it's made, you guys. It's gonna be all put together. So yeah, and my son is actually making. I'm taking mostly everything to his house. So yeah, it'll be prepared tomorrow. Tomorrow. I love butter. Of course, we need that butter, baby. We need that butter. I'm just making the sauce. So that's that. And I'll record me making the sauce. Okay, you guys, I am back and I'm about to start my seafood boil. First, I'm going to start with these eggs. And these potatoes. And yes, I'm going to boil all 3 bags. And I was gonna just let my son do it at his house, but I decided not to. I don't even know why I decided not to, but I just decided not to. So let me wash these potatoes off. Y'all see me over here? Yeah, you can. You can. I think I'm gonna put the potatoes. Should I put the corn in with the potatoes? I'll see. Okay, we're ready to start chopping these onions up. And ain't doing it by hand. The blade on the long side. Oh, come on now, girl. Come on now. Better. Shoot. And just like that, onions is all done. Y'all wanna see? Onions. Bowl. Didn't even have time to cry. Okay, you guys, I'm doing 2 tablespoons of each of these seasonings because I'm making a big batch. I've already did the Italian seasoning, the onion powder. I just did the parsley. Now I'm doing the minced onion, the garlic powder, the accent, the Old Bay, and I think the brown sugar goes in with the wet stuff. No, it doesn't. It doesn't. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. Brown sugar. Brown sugar. And that's it. You got all your seasons in there. Let me stir them up. I'll get a little small one, stir them up, you guys. I know how brown sugar do when it's almost not good, but it's gonna work today. Okay, you guys, now I'm on the butter. I know it looks like a lot of butter, but that's what B Loves recipe calls for and always tastes good. So if you don't want all that butter, you can adjust the recipe to your liking. Okay, you guys, I added my ginger to here. I'm not gonna add the Tabasco to it. I'm gonna add it at the end. Cause they don't.
This sauce is almost like that. What y'all see? I've never been to the boiling crab, but it's similar to the.
You see, I'm going by B Loves
It looks like
recipe.
I've seen Tabasco sauce. So then I can add these seasonings.
Now I'm about to add some Worcestershire sauce. And I'm adding the dry seasoning.
Mix it right in.
That.
It's gonna make that sauce redden up. Redden up right there.
Wait, I'm missing my pack freaky, y'all. Hold on.
So we gonna.
Okay, you guys, the sauce is done. And it tastes fabulous. The potatoes are done. I tested one. The one that's busted open is done. The eggs should be done. I'm gonna peel these, turn these potatoes off, and steam my crab legs and shrimp. And then I'll be done. I'll put it in the pan and I will be back. Okay, you guys, I just sprinkled some Old Bay on the potatoes. The potatoes are done. Where's that skillet at? I just had that skillet. Okay, anyway, the sauce is done. The eggs are done. So now, I'm gonna have my husband peel the eggs once they cool down. And I'm going to, and they can come out of that. I just had that skillet, you guys. What did I do with that skillet? Hold up. You guys, I got everything done, but I started rushing. Everything's in the pan. The seafood boiled, the corn, the butter, the extra sauce. I had to make another batch of sauce because it wasn't enough. I'm about to load everything in the car, so we'll see when we get to my son's house. Okay, you guys, here's the finished seafood boil. There's so much, you guys. We got the crab legs. And then I made an extra sauce. Let me pour some of that on mine. Thank you, China. Yeah, just pour it on there. That's enough, that's enough.
Oh, shoot.
Okay.
You want the oil?
No. I'm about to sit right. I gotta sit at the table for this. I'm just in the table. You guys, this, I got my granddaughter this for Christmas. And we're doing one. She has this, I have the rainbow one. She has the
Unicorn.
Wait, where are you at? Unicorn one, and her mother has the, let me see.
The rose.
Okay, the rose, yeah. It's kind of cool.